In the heart of open land where the wind sings its song, we find the future of clean energy. This is not just a machine, it's a testament to human ingenuity. Today, we'll witness the unseen assembly of a wind turbine, a silent giant. First, we lay the foundation of our power. The tower sections, each weighing tons, are lifted with precision, connecting like building blocks. Piece by piece, the elegant structure begins to rise, a pillar reaching for the sky. Next, the heart of the turbine, the nacelle. This is where the magic happens, housing the gearbox, the generator, and all the critical electronics. A complex engine poised to turn the unseen force of the wind into tangible power. And now, the wings. Each blade, a masterpiece of aerodynamic design, is a symphony of composite materials, engineered to capture every gust. One by one they are attached, transforming the structure into a graceful, powerful machine. With the last connections made, the giant stands complete. It's not just a structure anymore, it's an energy harvester. With a final command, the blades begin to turn, embracing the wind's power and beginning their endless cycle. From individual components to a monument of sustainable energy, this is the birth of clean power. If you were captivated by this journey, like and subscribe for more unseen assemblies of engineering marvels. What grand machine should we build next?